Can you give us one example of how a client was able to go from manual to digital, and just curious what their outcomes were?
Yeah, absolutely. I've got a case study that's available that I can make available, but one that comes to mind, it's a company that's in aerospace and defense. We've worked with them for many years now, but they were relying heavily on spreadsheets, as I just
Yep.
mentioned, and tribal knowledge, the things that are in people's heads, those things that people just know how to do without it being in a system somewhere. So they were relying on that daily to manage production across a complex build to order process. Their scheduling process really was very highly manual, disconnected, not
Hmm.
integrated. And when changes happened on the floor, it was difficult to really assess the impact, let alone to adjust, right?
Hmm.
But we implemented Opcenter scheduling, fully integrated with their ERP system and their MES system. And almost immediately they saw improvements in planning speed and scheduling accuracy. And what used to take literally days to analyze and update now takes them minutes. They gained real time
Wow.
visibility into their capacity and their constraints, which again, I mentioned it earlier, it allows them to make those informed decisions on the fly. Most importantly, they're on, and this is a key takeaway for them. Their on-time delivery performance jumped from around 40% to over
Wow.
95%. Okay. And that wasn't just a planning win, that was a transformation of how they operated across departments. And today, they're not just reacting to the production schedule, they're controlling it. And again, those types of things all feed into the bottom line, right?
Yeah, that's mind-boggling when you see a jump like that. I mean, that it's a game changer. I don't know how else to say it. I mean,
Yeah.
you're talking, I can only imagine how much money was saved from being able to not only recreate, but position in a way that makes them, I would say, really agile, right? And when you're that
Absolutely.
agile, to me, the sky's the limit.